like to introduce our level control system from Excel Automation. This system can either be used as a standalone system, which means I don't need to connect to anything else, or it could be connected to your electrical controls to either stop or start your pumps or your machine, or whatever is appropriate action. The basic components of the system include a sensor, which is programmable for a various span that you might need. We have everything from inches all the way up to 26 feet and offered in different models. To quickly demonstrate that, I'm going to hold the sensor like this. I start by holding the push button in till it's blinking green, and you simply have to show me the span that you're interested in. So I'm going to set it up for something that's close and demonstratable. When you show me the first point, I push the button. Show me the second point, I push the button. Wait for it to time out, you're through. Now the sensor will know, this is my span that I need to work with, and it'll translate that information over here to the appropriate action. So, it starts with the sensor, which is analog product. Our system base represents an enclosure, which is NEMA 4X IP67. It houses a power supply in it and controls, and we have an LED display, which is not only programmable, it is scalable and has 4 active set points or outputs. So I can take action at 4 different points in the process. We also have that information coupled to a stack light. The stack light is a multicolored stack light, LED, and it's going to show you a representation of the tank filled as it occurs. So a quick demonstration goes like this. I'm going to try to signify a rising level in the tank. As I do that, I have it set up right now that at 10% fill, I activate the first light. When I get to 50%, I activate the second light. There it goes. When I get to 90%, I activate the third light. And then if you get more than 90%, I'm going to go into an alarm condition. The entire stack changes colors, but for that action, I could alarm with an audible instead, or any of this could be done wirelessly as well. So if you want to repeat this information somewhere like in the maintenance shop, I can do that as well with our system. So that's a quick demonstration of the system. We also have NEMA 4X IP67 seals where the cables enter the cabinet because we want to keep the integrity of the cabinet for even the nastiest environments. Some of the typical applications, because my sensor can handle anything from liquids to solids to slurries. The solids meaning this could be discrete parts thrown in a bin or a hopper. When the hopper gets too high or too low, you want to take action. We can also do roll diameter, roll too big, too small, take action. We can also do batch counting. When you get to a certain count, you need to do this or that, and a higher count, you need to do something different. We can handle that with the same system. We can do temperature control, and we can also do rate counting, which means a conveyor speeds up or slows down, or a machine speeds up too fast or slows down. We can take the appropriate action. So in summary, if you have any applications where you'd like to consider using our products, give us a call. Appreciate your time. Thank you.